Hello everyone. Today let us see about the fundamentals of strategy. In the words of Johnson et al., strategy is the direction and scope of an organization over the long term, which achieves advantage in a changing environment through its configuration of resources and competencies with the aim of fulfilling stakeholders' expectation. According to this definition, strategy provides directions and it tells about the scope or what organization wants to do in a long run. So for that, what are the resources are required, and it will consider the changing environmental factors and which are the competencies that are required to fulfill stakeholders' expectations. So that means strategy will cover entire aspects of business. So everything is covered under strategy. So finally, it tries to satisfy all the stakeholders' expectations. Every stakeholder is satisfied and they are considered here. Stakeholder includes the shareholders, creditors, uh, customers, employees, everyone is considered here. So strategy provides a direction and it tells us what organization want to do in a long run. So for that plan, which are the resources are required and environmental factors are considered here, and which are the competencies that organization should have. So with all these things, organization tries to fulfill its stakeholders expectation. Now let's see about fundamentals of effective strategy. First fundamental is long-term objective. Strategy indicates the long-term goal towards which all efforts are directed. So strategy focuses on the growth, that means long-term growth and development of the organization. The long-term goal may be to dominate the market or to become technology leader or to be in a number one position in terms of sales or distribution network or a lowest cost producer, etc. So here the objective of organization that should be clear and that should be attainable. That means it should be possible to achieve. So these objective gives clear direction for implementing a strategy. Second fundamental of strategy is it defines the scope. Strategy defines the scope. A strategy focuses on what resources firm should use and how to use the resources of a firm most effectively in a changing environment. So it defines the scope of the firm, that is the kind of or type of product the firm will offer, the markets, that means the geographics or technologies or processes it will pursue, then the broad areas of activity it will undertake, and it throws light on the activities the firm will not undertake. So scope tells us the activities of the company and the activities which companies will not do. So do and don'ts of the companies are explained by the scope. Fourth fundamental is logic. Logic is the core of a strategy. A strategy explains why the goal or objectives will be attained by the long-term plan of action. So strategy says why the goal will be attained by the organization in the long run. So I can give an example. A firm wants to be a market leader in the production of detergent at low cost. To become market leader means it has to cover mass market, it has to cover a broader market. And thing is, your scope is to produce low cost detergent powder. Um, our low price will generate high volumes, so this in turn will make us high volume low cost producer. so that the large scale production definitely even what it will lead to huge cash surplus even if the profit margin is low. Profit margin kadme idru kuda because of large volume of sales it will generate a huge profit. So that's what logic says why the goal should be achieved. Adoption of courses of action. Strategy refers to a series of actions to be taken which have same direction for whole organization. So in the features only I explained it. That is, strategy means it's not a single plan. So it consists many other co-plans. So all that plans, all those series of actions that should be that should have the same direction. That is to reach the purpose or reach the target which is set at the beginning. So different activities need to be carried while doing a project. So for that different resources are required, different activities we need to carry. So all these things are planned in a strategy. Next fundamental is concentration. Strategy concentrates superior power at the place and time likely to be decisive. Strategy must define precisely what will make the enterprise superior in power in terms of all the areas while comparing to competitors. So it concentrates the firm should be superior than competitors in all the aspects. So a distinctive competency yields greater success with fewer resources. So if you have competent in all the aspects, then you need very less resources to fulfill that. Then allocation of resources. Strategy allows one to use minimum resource while keeping competitors at a relative disadvantage. So strategy is building resources and dimensions for flexibility. So strategy tells us how to use the resources in an optimum way. If you use more resources, then cost of the project that increases. So that time what happens, the product, if you are producing a product, then the cost of the product increases, ultimately the price which we sell on that we sell, so that also increases. So that's why strategy must make a proper plan for the optimum utilization of resources, and it should tell how to allocate the resources for different activities. Synergy. Synergy means the use of firms' knowledge, capabilities, and marketing for better customer value addition. Once a series of decisions are taken to accomplish or complete the objectives in the same direction, there will be a synergy. Synergy can happen due to competition or competitive advantage and growth. Coordinated and committed leadership. The strategy should provide responsible and committed leadership for each of its major goals. For each activity, there will be team leader and they should be responsible and committed one. Care should be taken in selecting the leaders in such a way that their own interest and values match with the requirements of their roles. So that's why organization should be very careful while selecting the leader. Competition. Strategy should make use of speed, secrecy, and intelligence to attack exposed or unprepared competitors at an unexpected times. So, strategy should make the organization to be ready to face the competition in all the aspects. Security. Organization should have an effective intelligence system to prevent the effects of surprise by the competitors. So they should have intelligence system, and that should enable organization to have information about the strategy of the competitors, because their should not their action should not affect us. So organization should secure, or it should develop a resource required, securely maintain all important operating points for the enterprise. And again, strategy which is made by the company, that should not be revealed to outsiders, especially to competitors. That's way the company has to maintain security in terms of its plans, and it should have information about the competitor strategy so that it can be ready to face it or to hit the competition. Thank you.